Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn Java. Java is a programming language which is used to create a web application, mobile application, games and softwares. So it's an important topic we are going to learn. Most of the students don't know Java. They didn't understand the concept in schools or the colleges. So if you want to learn Java, uh, see the full video without skip. I prepared this video is very easy to understand, so that you can understand easily the concept and note it down whatever the important concept I'll tell you. Okay, let's get started. I just opened my file, Java introduction. I'm going to give an introduction now, and then we once in the next videos. Okay, first Java was developed by Sun Microsystem in 2020. Okay, Python is developed in 1995. Before Python, they created developed Java, later acquired by the Oracle Corporation. First, it's owned by Sun Microsystem. Later, it's acquired by Oracle Corporation, and then it was developed by James Gosling and Patrick Naughton. This is important when you attending the interview. They will ask like, who is developed Java, so that you have to memorize this. And then it is simple programming language. Java is a simple programming language, and then writing, compiling, and debugging a program is easy in Java. There's easy ways. First, we have to write and compile the program and debugging the program or run the program. It helps to create a modular programs and reusable code. You can use the code again and again in Java. Here you can see the Java virtual machine, which is called JVM, task of program execution. First, you have to first point is write the program. Like that, we have to create a class, and inside the class we have to create the method, and then we have to enter statement, print statement, so that is called write this program coding. Okay, second point is compile the program. We have to compile the program before running. Okay, you have to compile and then run the program. Third point is run the program. Writing of the program is of course done by Java programmer like you and me. Compilation of program is done by Java compiler. The once you click compile, it will the Java compiler will compile the Java program. Java is the primary Java compiler included in Java development kit. The Java compiler which is included in JDK. JDK means Java Development Kit, which is have like libraries, methods, functions in it. It takes Java program as input and generates Java bytecode as output. When you write a Java program, it gets the input and generates Java bytecode. The Java compiler converts the Java program into bytecode as output. In third phase, JVM executes the bytecode generated by the compiler. JVM is Java Virtual Machine executes the bytecode which is converted by the Java compiler, which is a bytecode generated by the compiler. Bytecode generated by the JVM executes, and then this is called program run phase. The third point is JVM Java Virtual Machine executes the bytecode, which is called run phase. Okay, this important one, write it on your note. And then the primary function of JVM is to execute the bytecode produced by the compiler. Yeah, this is what I told you before. And then each operating system has different JVM. Each operating system means here you can see the Mac, Windows, Linux. Each operating system has a different JVM. Okay, here one JVM, here another, here is another one. However, the output they produce after execution of bytecode is same across all the operating systems. Now you can understand what I am trying to say. That's why we call Java as a platform independent language. When you go when you coding in a file Java, when you code Java, you should save as .java file extension, and then the Java compiler converted the .java file into bytecode, which is called .class file. Okay, and then Java virtual machine. Uh, the multiple OSs like Mac, Windows, Linux have JVM separately. The class file which will be executed by JVM to the Mac. Here the class file which will be executed by JVM in Windows, here in Linux. Okay, whatever you are writing, the file will be converted into class file. The class file will be executed in operating system by JVM. This is the process of Java execution: writing, compiling, and run the program. These are the main concepts you should have understand and you should write in your note. And JVM and JVM versus JRE versus JDK. Here you can see JRE. JRE is the environment within which the Java virtual machine runs. Inside the JRE, the JVM runs. Okay, that's the point here. And then JRE contains Java virtual machine. Yeah, that's why I told you. Class libraries. I told you before what JVM and JDK have. JVM have class libraries, functions, methods, predefined methods, and then other files excluding development tools such as compiler and debugger. It have tools. JRE have tools as compiler and debugger. Okay, here you can see what the JRE have. JRE have JVM and then libraries and compiled class files. Okay, which is called rt.jar. Such a compiler and debugger, which means you can run the code in JRE. Sorry. Okay, let's get started. JVM, as we discussed above, JVM runs the program by using class, libraries, and files provided by the JRE. Okay, with help of these libraries and class, JVM runs the Java program. You should understand. JRE, inside the JRE there is a JVM, and then rt.jar, which is collection of libraries and compiled class files. Okay, what is JDK? I already told you JDK is a Java development kit which will have classes, predefined classes, libraries like that. It's a superset of JRE, which is more powerful than JRE. JDK is powerful than JRE. It contains everything that JRE has along with the development tools such as a compiler and debugger. It is also having a compiler and debugger in it. You can see the architecture of JDK, JVM, and JRE, Java Runtime Environment. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video. This is the basic introduction of Java program. You should know what is Java before we are going to learn. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Noted all the main points will be very useful for you. Thank you, guys. Bye.